Let's break it down right here. So, we know that Huawei and Samsung are the two leading brands when it comes to the foldable smartphones, and both are also the very first companies which revealed the foldable smartphones to the market. If we talk about Samsung particularly, it has the dominance over the foldable smartphones globally, also in China, which is one of the biggest smartphone market in the world. But it looks like Huawei is likely to overtake the South Korean firm in the Q1 2024's foldable smartphone shipment race. Well, Ross Young on X has recently shared a new report on the folding smartphone market of the 2023, even though Samsung has the highest contribution in the accelerating the growth of the foldable market, but the report suggests that it will see a significant decline in the shares by the fourth quarter of the 2023. Meanwhile, Huawei is emerging in good sides and is expected to lead the foldable smartphone shipment race from the Q1 of the 2024, surpassing Samsung with its ultimate creation. So basically, Samsung's brand share could fall to 42% in the Q4 of the 2023 due to the lower than expected sales for the Z Flip 5 and the Fold 5. On the other hand though, Huawei and Honor can take a big share in the fourth quarter of the 2024 with a leap of 21% and 19% respectively. Ross said that Huawei's panel procurement will be larger than Samsung's as it doubles down on the foldable market. Devices like the Mate X5 and the Flip Pocket models have already made a special space in the consumer's hearts. Besides, the Chinese tech giant is also set to bring a new 5G solution to the smartphone surface, and the reason for the low sales of Huawei phones were only the lack of 5G. And Huawei just solved that issue, and now the latest Huawei Mate X5 smartphones comes with the new Kirin 9000S chipset with 5G in it. And that is why Huawei is going to beat Samsung in the sales department, specifically in China. And guys, not only foldables, but Huawei also successfully overtook Samsung and Apple in China for smartphone sales through the latest Huawei Mate 60 Pro smartphones. So yeah, what do you think? Can Huawei give its comeback to the global market as well? Well, do let me know your thoughts on it in the comment section below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.